Hello and welcome to another episode. We are your hosts. I'm Sean Calhoun and my lovely wife.
Hi, I'm Christina.
And today we're going to be coming to you talking about a very exciting workshop that we have coming up. It's called Pathway to Paychecks. But before we go into it, how can people find out more about us, Christina?
Well, you can go to our website, prettyhomeacademy.com. You can get in touch with us there. You can get in touch with us here on Facebook. You can reach out and do a direct message. And you can also check out our video tutorials right there on that website. Also, in our history here on Facebook, you can see some of our other videos.
That's right. And also, this video is going to be on YouTube as well. So, um, it's really easy to get in touch with us. Go to prettyhomeacademy.com. There you can see the events as well. And there you'll see also other tips and training things that we put out. But now let's get back into it.
We are super excited to let you know about an event coming up this Friday.
Yes, that's right. This Friday is going to be that's Friday, January the 8th. It's the Pathway to Paychecks workshop.
Why would they want to attend this?
Well, let's just say you're a real estate agent and you've been around the business for at least 5 minutes. You know that lead generation is it. It's the name of the game, right? And it's like if what you have been doing so far is not working enough, if it's not bringing you the business that you want, you might want to tune in to Pathways to Paycheck. Because right now, I don't know if you know this, but Silicon Valley has an arrow and it's pointed straight at real estate. It's pointed straight at real estate. You have iBuyers, instant offers, hybrid real estate agents, investors. There's so much. We're not going to be talking about the future of real estate. We're talking about the present of real estate. So if you want to have a business plan that you can walk away with and say, listen, if I do A, B, C, and D, I will receive paychecks, real estate paychecks. That's what this is all about.
Yep. So we're going to be talking about lead generation, getting repeat real estate business, sales, referrals. These are all skills that you can learn if you tune in to Pathway and to Paycheck this Friday.
Right. That is a really important thing that Christina just said. I don't know if you caught that. She said these are learnable skills. Okay. These are skills. These are things that can be taught. You can learn. You can do it. You can compete. You can win. So if you want to tune in to this, what you want to do is if you're on Facebook or Instagram, you can send us a message, Sean Christina Calhoun. Just send us a message. That's the easiest way, and we can give you a link to it. Or if you're watching this in the future and you like to tune in at a later time, just go to events on prettyhomeacademy.com website. All right. Look, we're excited to meet you, to help you continue to succeed and have the success that you want.
Thanks for tuning in, and we hope to see you on Friday.
All right. We'll see you.